Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 exploring all the latest smart home technology, and we pulled together this video with 30 of our very favorites from the show to share with you.
Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell because we'll be posting more CES videos soon.
And don't forget to watch all the way to the end so you can find out how I got this.
Wow. We've tested a lot of smart home hubs over the years, but usually they fall short in one area or the other. We discovered a hub that is definitely worth a closer look. Homey is a smart home hub that includes 7 different wireless radios and talks to more than 50,000 devices. You can use Homey's user-friendly flows to connect your different devices to make them work easier for you. Popular in Europe, Homey is on its way to the US soon, and we look forward to testing it later this year. Flic has improved their smart buttons with longer range and Apple HomeKit support coming later this year. The Flic Hub, which brings Wi-Fi connectivity to the Flic so that anyone in your home can use the Flic smart button. You can customize your Flic button with 3 different actions: 1 push, double push, and hold to do almost anything you can imagine. Fashion company B&Kin incorporated the Flic button into their elegant tech-forward handbags, so you can reach into your bag and push a button to hail a rideshare, send a text, or start navigating home. Perfect for singing in the shower and staying in touch with Alexa in the morning, the Moxie is a powerful, portable, waterproof smart speaker that docks into your shower head. With sound for Harman Kardon, the Moxie is tuned specifically for the shower so you hear the music and not the water running. You can adjust the volume with Alexa or with the included buttons. You can buy the Moxie speaker and use it with other smart bathroom products through the Kohler connected app, available to order this year. Connecting your car and home just became easier after Amazon announced that they have teamed up with GM to integrate Alexa seamlessly into model 2018 and newer cars with compatible infotainment systems. At CES, Amazon was showing off Alexa working in a Cadillac CTS. You can use Alexa to get directions, find out the weather, and open your garage door when you get home. Sometimes you don't really need to wash your shirt every time you wear it. Maybe it just needs a little refresh. Where is a new tool that uses a minimal amount of water, air, and detergent to remove stains and odors from your clothing, using less water and energy than your regular washing machine. It could even get out these tough Vegas stains. The Julia Smart Kitchen Appliance from CookingPal is an all-in-one kitchen companion that weighs, stirs, and heats your food for foolproof recipes anytime. Connect Julia with their Smart Kitchen Hub or the CookingPal app for step-by-step instructions to prepare the perfect meal for you and your family. Julia is one of several CookingPal appliances planned for the US market and should be arriving later this year. Do you have one of those big blenders on the counter that you have to plug in? The sleek Millo cordless blender is just as powerful without taking up nearly as much space. It runs powerfully and quietly with a patented air drive magnetic engine. It's powered by a rechargeable base that you control via touch or with your phone. And at CES, the team was demonstrating how the base could be integrated right into the countertop for the ultimate elegant look. Millo is available for pre-orders now and should be shipping by the end of the second quarter of this year. Does your food come out of the oven a bit dry? Have you tried sous vide cooking, which produces moist results but no sear? Well, Anova has a solution that marries the two. The Anova Precision Oven combines a countertop convection oven with steam to cook your food to the perfect temperature without losing moisture. So you could cook a tender roast chicken or a moist sourdough loaf with a crispy crust. Anova says the oven should be coming later this year. The Saphira Sense Smart Cooking Monitor pairs with your smartphone or tablet to give you better insight into your cooking. It can help you understand how hot your pans are and automatically sets timers for you based on your actions. It's battery powered and attaches on the wall above the stove. If you have an electric stove, you can even pair Saphira with a power control unit and shut your stove off automatically to help prevent a fire. Safera also gives you real-time feedback on the air quality in your home. We will be reviewing this shortly, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss it. Last year at CES, GE Appliance's Beehive introduced their first kitchen hub, incorporating a smart touchscreen interface with a range hood. This year, they have upgraded the kitchen hub to include a microwave. They also paired it with a camera that looks at the food, identify them, and even suggest recipes. The new hub is expected to ship by the end of this year. With a U by Moen smart faucet, you can get just the amount of water you need at a precise temperature, asking Alexa or Google Assistant. You can monitor how much water you are using in your faucet and program presets for things you fill up a lot. The U by Moen app also connects to the Moen Smart Shower, bathroom faucets, and Flow by Moen water monitoring system for a complete look at your home's water usage. The Weber Connect Smart Grilling Hub turns any grill into a smart grill. Weber's previous iGrill only had 2 temperature probes and used Bluetooth connectivity. This new unit includes 4 different probes so you can keep track of different proteins and grilling temperatures. Plus, it has a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you don't need to be right next to the grill to get alerts. You can wait in the nice air-conditioned house. The Weber Connect app includes recipes and step-by-step instructions for grilling your favorite meat to perfection. It will even tell you when to flip and serve. The Orbit B-hyve XR Smart Sprinkler Controller comes in a weather-resistant enclosure so you can mount it inside or outside your home. Connecting your valve wires is super easy with the push-button connections. Plus, you can control it with the Beehive app, Alexa, or Google Assistant, or with buttons on the unit itself. Later in the year, you will be able to connect the B-hyve XR to the Flume Smart Home Water Monitor so that it can automatically shut off your irrigation water line in case of a leak. Have you ever wondered why some plants always die in your yard? Archie, your personal gardener, can help. Start by plugging in the super sensor where you want to plant. In 24 hours, it will analyze the soil and climate conditions and recommend the best plants for that location. Once your plants are there, you can use the augmented reality app to identify plants that need your attention and get the specific coaching you need to take care of them. Hampton has licensed the Benji Lock fingerprint technology and is including it in padlocks, bike locks, drawer locks, as well as the new Hampton residential door locks. Multi-point locks are common on front doors in the UK and are also commonly used for back doors and French doors here in the US. Avea has created a secure multi-point smart lock that can retrofit existing locks or can be installed on new doors. The Avea unlocks via Bluetooth, remotely via Apple HomeKit, or with a manual key just in case. At CES, Kwikset announced the new Halo Touch Wi-Fi smart locks that allow homeowners to unlock their doors with their fingerprints. The Halo Touch can store up to 100 different fingerprints for 50 different individuals, ensuring that all family and household members can get inside when needed. You can also use the Halo Touch with its companion Kwikset app or with its backup key. The Halo Touch is coming later this year. Wiesen turns any sliding glass door into a smart automatic pet door. Simply install the Wiesen on your door, plug in the power adapter, and set up the app to decide how to let your pet in and out. Wiesen has built-in motion sensors so it will open automatically for your dog, or you can pair it with a smart camera so you can see and open the door remotely. You can reserve a Wiesen now and get it in about 3 months from the time you order. Smart Mimic uses the power of LoRa, long-range, low-power connectivity to track and secure your valuables over long distances. At CES, they were demonstrating the Mimic Bike and the Mimic Go. The Mimic Go is a tiny tracking device you can put in your suitcase to help you monitor where your bags are, even while they are in the air. Once you arrive at your destination, put the Mimic Go on your hotel room door and set an alarm, or get a notification if anyone comes in the room. Mimic Go is available for pre-order now and is expected to start shipping in March of this year. Toucan Security Systems offers a wireless video doorbell with a wide 180-degree field of vision to get a great view of your visitors and your packages. The video doorbell is easy to install and includes a built-in rechargeable battery, which they claim will last 4 to 6 months depending on use. And since this doorbell doesn't hook up to your existing doorbell wires, they also include a small chime that you can put anywhere in your home to hear when the doorbell is pressed. The Toucan app works with both the doorbell and their line of wireless outdoor cameras that have a really nice magnetic mount for easy installation and adjustments to get just the right angle. You can set up the doorbell to even start recording on all your Toucan cameras to really capture all that is happening. Both products come with a free 24-hour look back on all captured videos and an optional $2.99 7-day subscription, which covers all the cameras you have wherever they are. We have an automatic water shutoff in our home, which we love, and many manufacturers showed their versions at CES. Some require a plumber to install, others just clamp on. Fin makes a nice shutoff system as well, but you won't need a plumber to install the Fin Smart Water Assistant. The Smart Water Assistant won't shut off your water, but will help you detect leaks and understand how you use water all over your home. Just add the device under your kitchen sink, attach the Fin sensors to the hot and cold water hoses, and connect it to the Wi-Fi. Dogness makes a complete line of smart pet products, including automatic feeders, pet cameras, leashes, and collars. This year at CES, they introduced a new bright LED collar with customizable colors to help keep your dog visible at night. You can also add the smart GPS tracker, which uses 4G technology to track your dog for up to 50 miles. It comes with a wireless charging pad to help you keep powered. Coming soon. Smart devices aren't only for dogs. The iCuddle Smart Litter Box removes all the hassle and smell of a traditional cat litter box in a sleek, elegant box that will look great in your home. Just tap a button and the Cuddle cleans itself and automatically packs the waste into a bag and seals it. The iCuddle also includes a fan and a carbon filter to keep the box smell fresh and an app to help you keep in touch with your kitty's health. Plug in the iCuddle or use the rechargeable battery and put it wherever you want in your home. Available for pre-order now. Innovelli makes a complete line of smart switches and bulbs using Z-Wave Plus technology. We especially like the Illumine light strips. These come in 1-foot sections that you can hook together in various ways to make a creative setup. These light strips can show different colors and intensities and all controlled via Z-Wave. They are expected to be available later this year. Chances are your pantry and closets are poorly lit, if at all. And if you have a separate light switch, you probably leave it on from time to time. Lumenok has created a hands-free lighting solution designed just for these small spaces. Install the Lumenok LED strips on the inside of your closet door and you'll get beautiful lighting to help you see everything inside. Their advanced sensors will make sure the light stays on when you need it and off when you don't. The products are expected to ship later this year. GE Lighting now has a complete line of smart home switches and lighting designed for mainstream consumers who want beautiful smart lighting without the extra complexity. They have also added a battery-powered Bluetooth switches and a Bluetooth remote, which provides much more flexibility because you can put them anywhere, either in the wall or on the nightstand. Their wired wall switches span multiple generations of homes, so even homeowners with historic homes using knob and tube wire can enjoy smart lighting. Most of us don't get as much sleep as we want every night, and part of that has to do with temperature, too hot or too cold. The Sleep Number Climate 360 Smart Bed is designed to help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep by creating your own individual microclimate on your side of the bed. It starts by gently warming your feet, and then during the night it monitors your body temperature and automatically cools when needed to help keep you asleep. In the morning, Sleep IQ provides insights to let you know how you're doing and keep your healthy sleep habits on track. Coming later this year. The Muse S is the latest biofeedback enhanced meditation product from the makers of the original Muse and Muse 2 headsets. After discovering that many of their users were wearing their headsets to bed, they designed a soft, flexible, multi-sensor fabric headband that can be worn comfortably, as well as a new set of go-to-sleep journeys that respond to your own brain activity, heart rate, and movement. When you meditate with the Muse S, you can get a relaxing experience tailored just for you. When baby sleeps better, parents sleep better, and the Anat can help with both. When you pair your Anat monitor with a pattern your baby wears to bed, the camera automatically senses any changes in your baby's breathing and will alert you if anything is amiss. Anat also analyzes your baby's sleep every night and gives you your personalized insights and coaching to help improve. You can buy extra breathing bands or choose from a line of baby swaddles and sleeping bags incorporating the pattern in multiple cute colors. Coming this spring, the Mem Book is a smart baby book that creates memories and moments in your app automatically for you to cherish and share. Our favorite smart home tech though was from Charmin. I'll let the video tell the story.
Work together with these.
Yes. So it's just mostly the droid, so the concept with the board. So you want to welcome to safety? That's for you. That's a souvenir. And that is a Charmin robot.
We hope you enjoyed our selection of smart home technology from CES 2020. We have even more CES 2020 videos coming of various products we saw at the show. So be sure to subscribe to our channel, and for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.